Hello everyone, welcome to Learn with Joy by Anj. Subscribe the channel before going to the video. So here we have to be study the conversion of the binary number to a decimal number system. In this we have to be the number which will be a converting into a decimal formation to a decimal to binary. Okay, so here we have to be converted into binary to decimal and decimal to binary we have to be converted. In this topic we have to be discussed about the decimal to binary number system. In this number system we have the decimal number system which has the base value 10. So here the conversion of the number systems we have the base value, that is the number which will be represented under certain values. Okay, so either it may be represented as decimal number, binary number, base 5 number, pental number, octal number, hexadecimal number, like this. Okay, so here we have to be obtain the decimal number system. In decimal number system we have to be represented as a converted into a binary number system. I would take the types of the variety types of the decimal number to converted into a binary number system. In this I would take the whole number. Okay, so here 3 to 6. Okay, so here it will be represented as like this. Okay, these term will be divided by the new base value, that is the here the old base value is 10. So here we have to convert it into a binary number system. In this binary number system we have to be represented as the 2. Okay, so like this we have to divided it. So here we have to be divided it, so it will be represented as the 163. The quotient value is 163. So the remainder, it completely divides, the remainder will be represented like this along with the quotient. So 0, that the remainder is next it will be divided by the 2. So it will be obtained as the 2 8s are 2 1s are, the remainder will be 1. So next 240 is a 80, the remainder is 1. So again 220 is a 40, remainder is 0. So here we have to be completely divided, then the remainder will be 0. So here we have to be use the only binary number, not for the any other number. Okay, so 2 tens are 0, 2 5s are 10. Again the remainder is 0, 2 2s are 4. Here we have the 5, so the remainder it will be obtained as the 1. Next 2 1s are, the remainder is 0. Up to we have to be divided these term, the it will be obtained as the 1. Okay, so here the number will be listed like this, downwards to upward direction. So okay, so therefore 3 to 6, the binary number of these number is, okay, so 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 of binary, nothing but base value. Okay, so here we have to be represented like this. Okay, so here 326 is represented as in the decimal number system. In that same value, in the binary number system we have to be like this representation. Okay, so like this we have the decimal only. Okay, we have the purely decimal formation of the decimal number system. Okay, so which means the point values. In this point values we have to be multiply the new base number. In this we have to be divide the two number for the whole number. So here we have the decimal value, so we have to be multiply the new base value, nothing but 0.45 into 2 is equals to, it will be obtained as the 0.9. Okay, so here also we the whole number and it is the decimal number. So here we have the also called it as the integer part, whole number nothing but integer part. Here the integer position we have the 0 0 is like represented in the integer part, only decimal part will be taken to the next step and multiplied by the 2. So here 0.9 into 2 will be represented as the 1.8. So here that 1.8 is the integer part is removed in the listed in the integer part. Okay, so here it will be taken as the next step 0.2, again multiplied it So it will be obtained as the 1.6. Here we take the integer part 1. So 0.6 into 2. Nothing but 1.2. 1. So like this we have to be represented until these position will be 0. Sometimes the position of these terms 0 becomes in a plenty of the steps, so we have to be choose the only 4 steps. Okay, so here these will be represented as the upward to downward direction of the value. Okay, so here 0.45 of the base 10 will be represented as the 0 point. So okay, in this 4.5 position we have to write down this value 0.11 to the base 2. Like this 0.45 is the decimal number system. Okay, so here the same value will represented as the binary number system. Okay, so here like this we have to be represented the combined form of the number. So that is 32.56. Here we have to be repeat the same procedure as previously done, but so here we have to do the individual part. Okay, so here 32 is the whole number. Okay, so that 32 will be divided by the 2. Okay, so the 2 16s are. Okay, so 32, the remainder is 0. 2 8s are 16, the remainder is 0. 2 4s are, the remainder is 0. 2 2s are, the remainder is 0. 2 1s are, the remainder is 0. So like this, so here we have to be represented. In the decimal part we have the 0.56 multiplied by the 2. It will be obtained as the 1.12. The integer part of this will be 1. So again here we have to take the only decimal part, that is 0.12 into 2 is equals to, it will be obtained as the 0.24. The value becomes 0. 0.24 into 2 is equals to, the value becomes 0.48. So here integer part is 0. Again here we have to take the 0.48 into 2, nothing but it will be obtained as 0.96. Like this we have to be do the steps. So here we have to list out like this. Here we have the n of the 4 steps. Okay, so therefore 32.56 to the base 10, which will be represented as the whole number part will be represented by these terms 1. So zeros are 5 zeros, point, here it will be represented at 1.00 to the base 2. So like this we have to be represented the combined formation of the decimal number into a binary formation of the number. Hope you all understand this video. If you all like the video, share and subscribe the channel to get the updated videos. Thank you.